welcome back to my channel Alluring Shima. I'm Kinjal if you are new here. So from thumbnail, title, it's pretty clear that today we are doing a transformation video. I'm going to turn myself from this into this. The difference is huge, right? I know. Obviously, I'm not going anywhere, but I just wanted to play with some makeup and click some pictures at home. So I thought let's glam up a bit. And I ended up here. So today I have created this smoky, brownish, reddish, warm tone, very sluttery smoky eye. It looks very difficult, I know, but trust me, it's very easy. And I have mostly used drugstore and affordable products for this makeup look. If I do this makeup without recording or explaining products and on my own, then I will hardly take 15 to 20 minutes, I guess. Yeah, it's that easy. So let's not waste any more time and let's just jump into the video. So my skin is all prepped up. I have completed skincare in which I did cleansing, toning, moisturizing and applied some sunscreen. And also I have completed my eyebrows, which is not matching, but it's okay. So yeah, and as we are doing today a smoky eye look, I'll start with the eyeshadow first and then we'll move towards face. So the reason to do the eyes first is because of fallouts. If there is any fallout, we can wipe it off and then we will start with base. So first we will prep our eyes, and for that I'm using this Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. I'm taking some on a flat brush and giving a shape to my eyebrows. It is not compulsory to apply the eyeshadow primer or any concealer on eyes, but due to this the colors come out very bright and it reflects more. Also due to this your eyeshadows will stick to your eyes. Now I'm also gonna set this with a settings powder. This is also completely optional, like if you feel like you want to keep it as it is, then you can. Then it will be more sticky, which I don't like because it creases my lids a lot. So I just dust off some compact powder on it. So for eyeshadow today, I am using this Makeup Revolution Chocolate Rose Gold palette. It looks exactly like chocolate and it smells also exactly like chocolate. And the color theme is also very beautiful, if you can see. With this eyeshadow palette, you can create some simple looks also and some bold and glamorous look also. And this is very affordable, so you can give it a try. The quality is very good. The pigmentation is also amazing of this eyeshadows, all of this one. So today we will play around with this eyeshadow colors, these brown ones, because I wanted to create some brownish, some nude smoky eye. Let's see where we end up, but right now I have planned to use these colors. So usually with my eyeshadows, what I do is I start with the transition shade, then apply crease color and then move towards lid. But today, as we are doing a smoky eye look, I'll start with the lid first and then we'll move towards the transition. I hope it makes any sense, but as we go further, you will get to know what I'm talking about. So first I'm taking this darkest shade from this palette, which is a very dark brown shade, and applying it, pasting it in very near to my eyelashes. We will slowly build the color and gradually build the color. I will not apply it too much in one go. So I have applied it till the center part of my lid, half of my lid. Now I am taking this red shade from the same palette and applying it as a crease color. I'm keeping it very harsh because I'm gonna blend it later with the transition shade. So for transition shade, I'm taking this eyeshadow color. I have first completed the whole eye and then I'm slowly building the color. Now if I feel like I need some dark color here, then I will apply that. And now I'm taking a little bit of black color, kajal pencil, and applying it very near to my eyelashes, just to give that smoky effect. and I'm gonna smudge it. As you can see, it instantly made it more smoky. You can also apply brown kajal pencil if you have it, or black will also work. If you feel like you need a little bit more smokiness, then apply it a little more. But as I said earlier, slowly build it. Don't apply it too much in just one go. I'm not applying it right now in my lower lash line because we need to apply concealer there because dark circles. So I think my eyes are done. I mean, I wanted it to be very soft but smoky. So I think it's good. I'll complete the second eye and then come back to you. Now as you can see, our soft brown eyes are done. Now I'm gonna take out all the colors which is there. So this was all the fallouts, and that is the reason that we have done our eyes first. Right now I think this eyeshadow is okay. It needs a little bit blending, but we will do it after applying foundation because we will smudge out these edges. So for primer today, I am using this Colorbar Perfect Match Primer. This is a silicone based primer. It's almost finished. This is one of my favorite primer and it blurs out the pores really nicely. So I mainly apply it on my T-zone because this is where I have larger pores, and in this area especially. So as you can see, it has instantly blurred out everything. Next up for foundation, I am using this Nykaa Skin Shield Anti-Pollution Foundation. This foundation is one of my favorites because this is not very full coverage and not very sheer coverage. This is kind of medium coverage, but you can easily build the coverage. I have took some amount on back of my hand, and first I will spread it on my face. This is a medium coverage, but it feels very comfortable on your skin. I mean, it sits comfortably on your skin. It doesn't feel you very cakey or very heavy on your skin. It blends very easily, as you saw. In just some dabs, it has blended out perfectly. If you are someone who doesn't like to go very full coverage, then this is a good option to go for. And I like this kind of foundation which gives you a very skin-like finish. Like, it is not looking very too much on your face. It's looking very natural. And this foundation is for $7.99, but you will get it on discount around 500 rupees. So again, great. Now for concealer, as I mentioned, I am using Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer and applying it in my problem areas like my under eye. This is a little bit lighter shade because this will help me to highlight also. So I am directly applying this shade. Apply where you want to highlight: forehead, nose, cupid's bow and chin. If you want to contour, then you can apply it like this also. It will give a good sculpt to your face. I'm again blending this with the sponge only. First, I'm starting with the contour part. This concealer is very full coverage and very thick. So if you are someone who doesn't like thick concealers, then you should not prefer this. Even I don't like it too much. I don't prefer, I mean, I can use this, but I don't prefer it over my LA Girl Pro Conceal, obviously. As you can see, it has instantly highlighted these areas. Now before it creases, I am applying this Fit Me powder to set it. I am taking this two color with the same brush and applying it in my lower lash line. I am applying it a little bit darker as we have done a smoky eye, but to blend out, I am taking this shade and blending the lower lash line also. You always need a little bit touch up if you apply eyeshadows first and then do the face. For contouring and bronzing, I'm using this Wet n Wild Contouring Duo. I'm using this shade. I'm softly dusting the shade. If you have a larger forehead like me, then apply a little bit over here. Okay, this is what I like to do. Even if I apply anything with brush, then I like to dab a sponge on it, so it gives a very natural effect. Now for blush, I'm using this Fit Me blush. This is in the shade Wine. I like to apply blush with a fluffy brush like this. This way it gives more coverage and it spreads out very evenly. Again, I'm going with the Beauty Blender. I don't know if it makes any difference or not, but whenever I apply something and then dab the Beauty Blender on it, I feel like it becomes more long lasting. So yeah, I mean, this is a trick or a hack, you can say. You can try on your own and tell me if this is working for you or not. For me, it works pretty good. And next for highlighter, I'm using this Makeup Revolution Soph X highlight palette. It has total 8 highlight shades. Isn't it gorgeous? I know, right? So I'm mixing this shade and this shade and then applying it. Also applying tiny bit in my inner corners. So as the face is done and I'm not going to apply any powder on it, I'm going to set my eyebrows using this NYX Tinted Brow Mascara. This is in the shade Espresso. And it's going to make the eyebrows long lasting. I mean, it will sit in its place for longer time. Applying some kajal to tightline my eyelids. Applying it in lower lash line. Also, I am tightlining the upper lash line. So I'm back with applying some false lashes. And now it's time for lipstick, which is the last thing remaining on this face. So for lipstick, I'm using this Blue Heaven Elegance Matte Lip Color. This is in the shade 11. It's a very sheer coverage lipstick. And yeah, with that we finished today's look. As I said, it's very easy. Even if you are new to makeup, you can definitely achieve this one. And you can change it according to your preference in makeup. I mean, you can change the lip color or you can skip the falsies and apply bold eyeliner on it. It's completely up to you how you want to modify and how you want to customize it according to your liking. I really loved how it has turned out. I mean, I have really enjoyed the transformation. And to be honest, I was getting really bored just staying in those pajamas. And I don't know when all this will get over. I need my normal life back. But yeah, I don't know when that's gonna happen. So till then, coming back to pajamas, I mean transformation, it just feels so good to get ready. Even if I'm not going anywhere, but still, it just feels good. So yeah, that was it for today's video. I hope it was informative enough to learn something from it. And do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and like this video if you really like the content. I will see you soon with one more fun and informative video. Till then, bye bye.